Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Lit Up with Annie. Today, I'm going to talk about this very important term, which is abjection. It is from critical theory, the term, and it comes from Julia Kristeva's work. Before I move on further, if any of you is interested in joining the full course for NET, I have an ongoing course, a very organized course. So if you're looking for that guidance, you can come and join my full-time course. The details are in the description box of how you can connect with me. So please do, and you will get MCQs, notes, live classes, all doubt solving, everything here. And we also have an offer going on, which is इंडिपेंडेंस डे का ऑफर था हमारा 30th तक चल रहा है. So at 5,999 you will get everything, the full course, all the previously done classes as well. ठीक है. Okay, coming back to the term abjection. Abjection से question भी आया है एग्जाम में. So as I told you, it comes from Julia Kristeva's work. The work is Powers of Horror, an essay on abjection. 1980 का ये work है. It refers to this psychological, cultural, and literary experience of encountering something that is neither fully subject nor fully object. Something that disrupts identity, disrupts order. कोई ऐसी चीज़ आप देख लो जो आपकी आइडेंटिटी को डिसरप्ट कर दे या मीनिंग को डिसरप्ट कर दे. जैसे एग्जाम्पल में हम लेते हैं कॉर्प्स, समथिंग दैट विल अनसेटल योर बाउंड्रीज ऑफ आइडेंटिटी एंड मीनिंग. कॉर्प्स क्यों? क्योंकि वो ह्यूमन भी है हमारी तरह और नॉन ह्यूमन भी है, बिकॉज it's a dead body and it unsettles our boundaries of identity and meaning, right? Now, what it exactly means is abjection is an idea from psychoanalysis about the feeling that we get when something deeply disturbs us, because it blurs the line between self and non-self, inside and outside, clean एंड अनक्लीन. ये जो बाउंड्रीज हैं, माइन्यूट बाउंड्रीज, लिविंग डेड बाउंड्री है, अगर जब ये बाउंड्री ब्लर हो जाए तो समथिंग वेरी डिस्टर्बिंग एक फीलिंग क्रिएट होती है, जिसको एब्जेक्शन कहते हैं. वेयर इट कम्स फ्रॉम इज, जब एक छोटा बेबी होता है ना, बहुत छोटा होता है, तब उसको लगता है कि मैं और मेरी मम्मा सेम है, एक ही हैं हम. बट when that baby separates from its mother, it experiences trauma, leaving behind जो एक earlier state of mind उसका होता है, earlier merged state of mind होता है with the mother, कि मैं और मम्मा तो सेम ही हैं, एक ही personality है. तो वो जो trauma वहाँ से ये आता है, abjection. Things like blood or excrement or a corpse, all of these things remind us of the early state or the fragility of our identity. So what we do is we reject them. How it works? Now, abjection जो है, it creates boundaries between inside, outside, self, other, ego, non-ego. It's also about the fear that these boundaries would collapse. क्या होगा अगर ये boundaries collapse हो जाएं? क्लियर बाउंड्रीज हैं, इनसाइड आउटसाइड, है ना, ईगो नॉन ईगो, डेड लिविंग. what would happen if these boundaries would collapse? For example, if the subject self is overwhelmed by the archaic pull of the mother, इतना ज़्यादा आपको वो पुल महसूस हो that it would threaten your own personal identity which is separate from the mother. Abjection also shows up in rituals of purity and defilement. For example, avoiding taboo substances. अब मैरी डगलस, एक राइटर जिनका वर्क है प्योरिटी एंड डेंजर, उन्होंने इन्फ्लुएंस किया था जूलिया क्रिस्टेवा को यहाँ पे, शोइंग हाउ कल्चर्स डील विद पॉल्यूशन एंड टैबू. लिटरेचर में भी कुछ मॉडर्न राइटर्स लाइक डॉस्टोवेस्की एक्सप्लोर करते हैं एब्जेक्शन को बाय पोर्ट्रेइंग हॉरर, disgust, collapse of meaning, and haunting reminders of death and decay. So, this feeling of abjection is created. So, in short, abjection is what? The disturbing experience of confronting what should be rejected. कोई ऐसी चीज़ जिसको आपको कन्फ्रंट करना पड़े, लाइक वेस्ट, कॉर्प्स, ब्लड, बिकॉज इट थ्रेटन्स आवर सेंस ऑफ सेल्फ एंड ऑर्डर. ठीक है. So again, once again, an example in one line is seeing a corpse is abject. You feel that disturbing feeling. Why? Because it is both human and non-human, which unsettles our boundaries or identity and meaning. So this is abjection. I hope you've understood. Once again, if you want to take up the course, you can connect with me over Telegram, message me, and you can get all the details. Thank you.